Dorsey spread axle flatbed trailer has just arrived at Midco Sales dealership in Chandler, Arizona. This combo flatbed measures 48 feet long and 102 inches wide. It has an aluminum deck with 4 nailer boards, recessed chain ties, and sliding winches provide multiple load control configurations. This trailer has been reinforced with a coil package for hauling steel coils. The suspension is a Hendrickson air ride system. The double coin tires are mounted on aluminum outer wheels. An aluminum toolbox is mounted on the driver's side. Midco Sales is an authorized Dorsey trailer dealer. Visit midcosales.com for more information on any Dorsey flatbed in stock.